I'm Hian. Today I would like to talk about the topic how to make a Christmas cactus bloom on Christmas Day. Ever you wonder why your Christmas cactus isn't bloomed right on time for the holidays? Today I'm here to share my secret on how to care your Christmas cactus so it's not only healthy but also bursts into stunning blooms just in time for Christmas days. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. This Christmas cactus is more than just a beautiful houseplant. It's a symbol of reunion, luck, joys during the holiday season. But let's be honest, it's not always easy to get into bloom breezily at Christmas. I faced my fair share of challenges with mine. At first, I struggled to figure out what is needed, but after plenty of trial and errors, I cracked the code. And now I'm going to say everything you need to know to make it happen. One of the biggest mistakes people made is that thinking of the Christmas cactus is an easy, low maintenance plant. While it's true that it's hardy, if your water is incorrectly or fail to provide the right light, it simply won't bloom. Trust me, I've been there looking at the plant full of leaves but not a single flower inside. So how do you make your Christmas cactus bloom right on time for Christmas? Here's the exact process I followed step by step. Step number 1. Adjust the lighting. Like place your Christmas cactus in a spot with bright but indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight as it can damage the plant, but don't let it sit in complete darkness either. Step number 2. Introduce dormancy periods about 6 to 8 weeks before Christmas. Reduce waterings and keep your plants in a cooler environment. Ideally is between 10 to 15 degrees. This dormancy period signal to the plant that it's time to prepare for blooming. And step number 3 is water correctly. Only water your Christmas cactus when the soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering can lead to rose rot and prevent blooms. So step number 4, fertilize wisely. Feed your plant with a potassium-rich fertilizer 1 per month, starting in the early autumn, and stop fertilizing as soon as you see the buds forming. After following these steps, my Christmas cactus bloomed beautifully right on time for the holidays. Every flower feels like a little victory, a reward for the patience and care. I have a gift to this plant, and here's before and after look at my Christmas cactus. You can see the difference this step made. Remember, growing a healthy and blooming Christmas cactus takes love and patience. Follow this step I've shared. You will soon enjoy its stunning flowers during the most magical time of the year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.